How's it going? Brian with Grand Roofing. I need to do a retake, a reshoot. So the video take right before this, I have a little personal goal on this YouTube channel. Before the end of this month, which is mid-October, I wanted to break 100 subs. I am one away. That's not what this video is about, but hey, put a little plug in on that. I need your help, the viewer. I don't know if you, the viewer watching this now, or if you're subscribed. If you're subscribed, thank you, I appreciate it. If you're one of those 99 I just checked, thank you. Now, what I need help with is I don't know with this channel if I should go towards, if you, the viewer, is a homeowner, so you got a leaky roof, a shingle blowing out, want to know how to do repair, how to measure your roof, whatever the case may be. I don't know if I should shoot content geared towards that, or if you, the viewers out there watching, are like me. You know, you're an aspiring contractor, you're learning, you're trying to start your own company, you haven't quite ventured out. I'm a smaller company. I've worked in roofing for, I think, coming up on 17 years, 16 years. So I started early 2000, full-time early 2000. Went one company to another company. I was in management, running the crew, the foreman on several jobs, and here I am now, and been running this company for about 2.5 years. It's been the best 2.5 years of my life. But I don't know what kind of content you guys want to see. Leave a comment below, that's all I'm asking. Just a simple comment below if you want to see videos geared towards the repair, how-to, preventative maintenance, or if you want to see videos on just like this. In my office or on the road in my truck, the everyday behind the scenes of running a roofing company, measuring estimates, figuring estimates, dealing with customers. Can't really put them on here unless they say, but I don't know which way to go with this channel, so please scroll on down at the end of the video, leave a comment. Are you a homeowner, or are you a contractor, or what kind of content you'd like to see? I really appreciate it. I'd like to grow this. I want to share the knowledge on how I got to where I am. There's a much better life out there. You just got to work hard for it, and that's what I'm trying to do here, and share the knowledge, share what I've learned with you guys, the viewers. With that being said, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell off to the side so you know when I shoot a video and upload it like this. And give me a thumbs up, comment, please, share the word. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you all. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Peace.